Performance is what we're looking for, and performance comes from proper design, proper configuration, meaning getting the right components and putting them together into the right solution, proper installation, then proper verification, meaning testing out, because you test in to get your design, test out when the work is done to verify that you improved the situation, and then customer confirmation. You do a happiness check with the customer after they have an opportunity to test the system for a little bit to see if in fact they're more comfortable, they feel better airflow, the utility bills are where they want them to be. And you give them maybe a 2-year unconditional happiness guarantee so they can kick the tires for 8 seasons, put the thing through its paces and see how this thing performs both on the comfort side as well as the utility side, right? But that's what it is that we want to look at. That being said, let's take a look at why some of these systems underperform. Right? So from a cooling perspective, air conditioning and duct systems basically function together, right? The whole house is a system when you really think about it. And so how does installation affect the efficiency and cost of operation, meaning rated efficiency versus delivered efficiency? Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what the manufacturer says it can do, it matters what it actually does in the home.